Hey, make sure you buckle up and brace yourself for heart-pounding chases and plot twists that are more thrilling than the movies. If you want to feel like you're on a roller coaster without leaving your seat, then welcome to RedCode Police. Now let's go. The chase intensified as police closely pursued the speeding white car, which ran red lights and weaved through heavy traffic, posing a serious threat to road safety.
Kind of moving around in the same area as San Gabriel. Just almost got that car there going through the intersection that blew through. To see how he tries to get through this as he comes in, boom, right through on the right shoulder through that red light. It was the street we're coming on now on the brakes. Oh, the left turner there, weaving his way through traffic, and then makes it on through. Luckily, they'll have lights in front, but he's going to the right shoulder. Boom, right there, crashed, left turner, and that's right at the intersection of.
The chase ended when the white car crashed into another vehicle. The driver and 2 passengers fled but were quickly apprehended. The scene was filled with debris, and police are conducting further investigations.
Okay, it's not like a tractor?
Yeah.
Okay. Any idea what he's doing?
No idea. No, we have no idea.
Stop! 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 Hey! Stop!
The chase erupted when a former employee stole an excavator and fled. The suspect suddenly turned around, plowing through a crowded area, challenging the police and endangering the safety of many.
He's gonna go out the main road.
Dick, walk your dick, be ready.
I can control him. Grab your machine. What is it? One of those things? How fast is it?
They can get up to probably about 30.
Okay, grab that. Quick, quick, quick.
Making a left. Keep me updated. I got the sanitation truck, the large tractor, which is our best bet. A little bit slower, but it's behind us as well.
Hey, we're in front of Victory World Church on Brook Hollow.
That's my yellow best friend.
Oh, you sent me for the vehicle for like Center Hill Road.
10-3. Circle, Brook Drive.
This is unbelievable.
Keep him up! Hey! Flip it! Flip it! If you can flip it, flip it!
The chase ended when the suspect's vehicle flipped, leading to their arrest. Although no major damage was caused, the suspect now faces multiple charges for their reckless actions.
Give us code 10. I'm gonna spike it. Did you get it? No spike, heading back towards Rich.
The police force coordinated and executed decisive tactics, with precise gunfire ending the suspect's reckless journey. Despite minor injuries, the community remains safe.
Down the Chehalis Trail, right at Lacey Boulevard here.
50
miles an hour on the trail. Past mile marker 4.5 on the trail. It's gonna be northbound over the trail, little ramp. We're going over the overpass over Pacific. Speeds of 48, just got over the overpass, continuing northbound on the trail. 89 parallel with them on clear getting.
89 paralleling.
590 hit one of the cones in the middle of the trail. Stop cars from driving. We're eastbound 26. 36 is going for pit. Good pit, good pit.
Eastbound 36, good pit.
GI. Hit one of the cones in the middle of the trail to stop cars from driving. We're eastbound 26. 36 is going for pit. Good pit, good pit.
Eastbound 36, good pit.
TBI.
There's TBI.
He's still going. Reversing eastbound. 59, he's in reverse. Hit a camper, code 10. Got him blocked in.
Finally, a series of precise pit maneuvers caused the truck to crash. But the suspect still tried to flee. Officers quickly used a taser to subdue him, pulling him out of the vehicle and ending the chase. A tense chase unfolded as a 19-year-old drunk driver fled, crashing into 2 police cars. With 3 additional passengers in the vehicle, the risk of tragedy escalated, forcing police to take decisive action. The police force coordinated and executed decisive tactics, with precise gunfire ending the suspect's reckless journey. Despite minor injuries, the community remained safe. The chase dragged on as the woman drove at high speeds, ran red lights, drove against traffic, and sped onto sidewalks. She constantly changed directions, making it difficult for the police to maintain control as speeds reached 70 miles per hour.
Going up on the grass. Howard's jeweler. She's stopping. Negative, she's going through the grass again.
Just through the grass.
Over the curb on snow. Going left on snow.
If you can, look this up for the list.
Driving in the middle of the road, still west. Taking a right on Rocky River. Northbound on Rocky River. Was that a hit?
Primary. It looks like a good hit from Wood Park. Looks like we're about to bail here. Bridge. Coming back up to Henry Ford, 40 on secondary. Looks like we got flat tires on the left side of the car. We're continuing westbound Upper Park Road past Henry Ford. Flat tires left side of the car. Coming up to a red light to the highway off ramp. Driving in the center lane, 2 flat tires left side, speeds are about 25. Just sideswiped a tan Hyundai, looks like they just took a mirror off, it's not going to be injured. Continuing westbound at Rocky River, speeds are 35. And just sideswiped another van here, continuing westbound, maybe here, we're at the intersection of Rocky River and Brook Park Road. Sideswiped a third vehicle, the dark blue Jeep Compass.
Still westbound on Brook Park.
663. It appears that she was intentionally trying to push into other cars. Yep. It's Graydon. And it looks like we're going to go past Graydon, continuing westbound. Speeds are 40, long. Well, there's debris in the roadway. Curb lane, 2 tires. We're getting on 480 east. And it looks like speeds are about 15 right now. Might be coming to a stop here on the outroad. Cars having trouble holding it together, driving off the road here on the on-ramp to 480 east. 480 eastbound, cutting across all the lanes to the fast lane. Speeds are only about 15 right now. No tires on the left side of the car. Make a wall, stay wide behind me. We're coming up to the 71 split. They're picking taking it here. They're weaving back and forth between lanes. She's now going the wrong direction on 480 eastbound. We do have traffic behind us stop though. Looks like we're coming to a stop here. Yeah, we gotta get this car stopped. We gotta head on, blocking it.
With 2 flat tires, the car came to a stop, and officers quickly subdued the woman. Her reckless and dangerous actions made the chase both extraordinary and noteworthy. Police pursued an old Honda Civic as the driver swerved and sped through the emergency lane, creating a dangerous situation that even with damaged tires, the car wobbled forward in a desperate attempt to escape.
Honda Civic green sticker in the back window. Okay, continuing west, increasing speed. Weaving in and out of traffic now.
What's the path on Central?
They've got the information. We don't know who's en route yet.
Okay, he's spinning out, guys. Looks like his tire just went out. He's just lost control. He's off to the median.
62 Central, he's signal forward. Signal 12, he's continuing south.
Yeah, appears to have it under control mostly. Got a slight weave in it, but he's still center lane westbound. Looks like normal speed almost. All right, he's off. He's off again, spinning. He's off. He's in the water. In the water, right-hand side.
With a flat tire and loss of control, the car veered straight into a roadside ditch. The police immediately approached, subdued the driver, and safely rescued the female passenger.
He just took off South Parkway.
Police stopped a black Ford SUV without license plates, but the driver suddenly sped off. Even after the tires burst against a barrier, the vehicle kept moving, leaving bright sparks trailing along the road.
Positive on the 6. 38, take over, I can't pick. So nice, dispatching secondary at Poly, 15 eastbound approaching Hampton. Speeds are reduced now to 50 miles an hour. Sticks were positive, loosening air in the tires.
After a tense chase, the SUV came to a stop. Police moved in and subdued the suspect with a taser after resistance. The chase ended safely with no injuries.
You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased, dude! You're getting tased right now! Stop! Hands! Get on your face. Get on your face!
The dramatic chase unfolded as the notorious gang suspect weaved recklessly through the streets. Near a residential area, the police worked closely together, determined not to let him escape.
7616. That's going to take him off from us. Be on lower. Looks like he's going to try to make it to South Pine here. Franklin, they were coming up on 4th.
Get their location again.
You're tracking Springboro Park. Go to the park.
Here. Crash.
Everybody come up. See that crash. Number 12. Head back eastbound. Eastbound. Left front tires flat.
How about myself?
Here.
His front left tire is flat. And smoking. Passing Widener. Continuing eastbound.
Here. Crash. Right.
Yeah, first one, they just said, anyway.
Over the water. Let's go.
Right in. Over in wider.
Passing Springboro Cemetery. Looked like it was just occupied times one.
Here. Crash. Right.
Coming up on 741. Speed still 60. Shit. Blew through a red light at 741. Continue. Sorry, it's a silver Jeep. This one tire just fell.
Into 20, approaching Red Lion. It's about 70.
The chase concluded as the police surrounded and subdued the suspect. In a tense moment, he was handcuffed, bringing an end to a dangerous and dramatic escape. The chase began when a stolen Amazon truck sped through the streets. Weaving recklessly and running red lights, the driver's daring maneuvers forced the police to stay in relentless pursuit every second.
Going eastbound on Lisbon, slowing in traffic, stand by. Still eastbound on Lisbon. Wrong way to disregard. Eastbound on Lisbon, 54th Street. Traffic medium. Speed's 40. Stand by, there's that 170 roll. Still eastbound, approaching 51st. Eastbound on 51st. Through the intersection, going past District 3. All over the road. Still eastbound, speed 60. Been caught up in traffic here by 175. Wrong side of the road, stand by. Disregards the red. He's going to get on to 175. 175 south. Amazon truck is taking a robbery. We are southbound on 175. Winds up here, speeds of 60. Wisconsin ahead of the stand by, stand by. Eastbound on Wisconsin from 35th Street. Stand by, we're going to be going westbound, Wells.
814 signal monitoring.
Stand by, we're at 25 and Wells. This guy's got to be whacked. Stand by, car's blocking him in. Now to get out of the way. Stand by, here we go. Northbound on 25.
Speed 259 to the third. One black male in the truck driver's seat looks like.
Get back center, that's all I saw. It's one person driving. Nobody else in the vehicle. We're approaching 26 westbound. And we're going to be going southbound on 26 from Wells. Make that killed him, sorry. Approaching Wells, southbound. Now we're going to be going eastbound on Wells. Big safety going, big oncoming traffic swerve. We are approaching West St. Paul onto the viaduct.
The chase began when a stolen Amazon truck sped through the streets. Weaving recklessly and running red lights, the driver's daring maneuvers forced the police to stay in relentless pursuit every second.
Anybody's entering the parking lot here at the 700 block of South Caesar Chevy. I'm sorry, South. Still wandering through the parking lot. We might be running out of options here. Stand by, stand by. The cars are getting out of the way of the parking lot. Speeds 10 miles an hour. Getting out on the National. We're going to go west on National.
Come to even for them wondering. Alright, speeds are. Stop again. Come through again, please. If you keep like back to 270, stop here. Back over to the north.
The chase began when a stolen Amazon truck sped through the streets, weaving recklessly and running red lights. The driver's daring maneuvers forced the police to stay in relentless pursuit every second. On the afternoon of April 28, 2022, Minnesota police closed in on a vehicle suspected of drug trafficking. As the driver stepped out, tension erupted instantly. Another officer approached the passengers, and within moments, the situation escalated sharply, spinning out of control.
Successful bid. 6772 Highway 27. Blacks just hit the car. Get stopped on the highway. Oop. They're continuing. Going west on 27. We have assault on officer and refuse to go out of the vehicle.
The car recklessly sped through crowded areas. Police set up spike strips, but they failed. The suspects veered onto a secluded dirt road, unaware that police were waiting for the final block. There was no escape.
Alright, going for the Y, they are westbound on 18, westbound on
18. The chase ended in a deserted area, with the vehicle cornered. The driver drew a gun, prompting police to fire in self-defense. 3 bullets, followed by 6 more, struck their mark. The driver died on the spot, and a passenger sustained minor injuries. All 4 suspects now face the consequences for the high-speed chase and drug possession.